Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the plate light lens assembly on a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab the license plate lens from the outside here on the bumper, and on the inside here I'm going to take a flathead pry bar and I'm going to push on these tabs. And they should pop right out through into the bumper part of the truck. You get two tabs. There we go. Pretty dirty under here. And then from this side, I'll just pry on it, pop it out. Well, this thing is just filled with mud, as you can see, so the clip has been jammed in there for some time. I'm just using a small screwdriver to see if I can access that. See if I can pull that tab. I'll end up having to replace this plug. Wow, need to replace the plug anyways. This is a good example. I don't know if you can see that green in there. That prong is probably melted. I see that green corrosion in there. So it's time to replace the electrical connector on the end. Now that the tab was busted up anyways, I had to force it off. And the actual plug, this comes separate. When you go to your dealer to get this, you're going to ask them for the actual plug, the 194 plug and pigtail. Here we have a new license plate lens, and here's the factory one from Ford that we took out. Looks pretty identical, matching for the plate light socket and the ear tabs. Locks right in. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So now when you go to the dealer and you get your new plug, socket, you're going to install it in your new lens cover. You're going to line up the tabs, the large tab with the large cutout for it, and then just twist it in. Now you're going to bring it over to your electrical connector. If you get your new pigtail harness, just slide it on. Oh, lock wants to work now. And then you're going to line these tabs up with the cutout in the bumper, making sure that the lens is facing the plate. Line them up, push, lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.